I have water, but it's not really cold. Do you have water with you?
Yeah.
It looks like for previous shotters, 446 marijuana, 421A depression history of 405G. 735 is up that.
Control 323. Can you make sure the unit's responding to the Walmart data 428? Looks like it's in progress.
Copy. All units are mounted to 430. Be advised, we just got a 428, the same location. 5200 South Port Apache. As of 15 ago in the bathroom, his 12-year-old son was filmed under the stall in the bathroom by an unknown suspect that was age of male, mid-40s, 5'7", medium build, unknown for a shirt, right? Unknown 4446 for COVID. Pierce standing by in front of the business with a juvenile, a BFA, black shirt, and blue pants. Two hours, 12, stand by on the 430 and contact the victim on this possible 428.